Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be replacing the PCV valve on a B5.5 Passat, so stay tuned. This is the location of the PCV valve. I'm going to start by removing these things to make room and gain access to the valve. Now that the hose and wires are out of the way, I'll now be able to remove this clamp. The PCV is held on with two clamps. If the PCV has never been replaced before, it will have the factory single-use clamp like this one, which can be annoying to remove. So I'm going to cut and remove this clamp at the top. Here's the other clamp at the bottom, and this one is a bit tricky to get to. This is what the back of the engine looks like, and that's the location of the clamp I just removed, and this is the other clamp that I'm about to remove next. I'm demonstrating from this engine that's outside of the car so that you have a better understanding of what you'll be working with. As I had mentioned before, this lower clamp can be a pain to get to, so I'm going to use a pick tool to pry and lift the clamp, then I'll use a flathead screwdriver to pry it some more. As you're working, be mindful of this F-shaped hose that connects to the PCV. It's made of plastic, and if you break it, it will be a pain to replace, and it costs more than the PCV itself. Now that the clamps are off, I'm going to use a pick tool to break the hose free. Then I'll be able to remove the valve. This is the new part that I'll be installing, and this is what it looks like compared to the old one. I will put the part and tools that I've used down in the description below. These are the new clamps that I'll be using. These clamps will make the job easier, should in case the valve needs to be replaced again. And now I'm going to install the new PCV and then the remaining components. I'm going to open up the PCV valve that I just removed and check to see the condition of the diaphragm. These are some of the symptoms of a torn diaphragm. And that's going to be it for this replacement project. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And if you like this video, remember to hit that like button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.